Hey guys, welcome to another travel vlog. In this video, we're exploring the Balcony Stateroom aboard Holland America's Rotterdam. This room is located near the bow on the starboard side of the ship. As you step inside, you will immediately notice plenty of closet space for your clothes and shoes. Moving into the main cabin, the bed can be configured as either a queen or two single beds. Next, there's a small couch on the opposite side of the bed and a compact workspace that doubles as a vanity area. Now let's step outside and check out the balcony. The balcony is a decent size, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or breakfast. Since this room is on the highest deck with staterooms, there are no rooms above you. However, you may occasionally hear music from the Lido deck where the main pool is located. Heading back into the room, let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is clean and modern, with a fully enclosed glass shower to keep the floors dry. The bath products smell amazing, and overall, I'd highly recommend booking a balcony room on this ship. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.